How would you like to go from a complete low-life loser and just absolutely suck with affiliate marketing to being a hero, to being an expert, to being somebody that can command money whenever it is that you want? How would you like to learn how to do that? I'm going to show you a nine-step process that's going to walk you through exactly how to go from a beginner with affiliate marketing to a complete expert with affiliate marketing. I'm going to explain this in complete layman terms. So make sure that you start by giving me a like. I'm going to wait until you click that like button because, it helps the algorithm. More people are going to watch this. Go ahead and do that now. And then I want you to subscribe. Go ahead and click that red subscribe button because I'm uploading videos pretty frequently teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you don't want to miss videos like these, tick the bell icon to get notified of all future lives and videos that I upload when I upload them. Regardless, I want to show you that that you're going to want to subscribe anyways by showing you guys the value in this video. So let's go ahead. Let's jump to the virtual whiteboard of justice. And I'm going to walk you through this whole entire process. So there's a few things that you're going to need to build an online business. And I've outlined them here on this page. Number one, you need a sales funnel, right? A sales funnel is just a series of web pages. I'm going to explain this example here that walks people through a sales process. So number one, you need a sales funnel. Number two, you need an email follow-up series because most people will not buy the first time that you expose them to whatever affiliate offer that you want to send them to. Okay, usually it takes about 5 to 7 exposures, depending on the price point of the product, the quality of the product, other variables to actually get somebody to buy. So that's the purpose of the email follow-up series. And then, most importantly, you need traffic. You need eyeballs to this whole entire sales funnel, or it's broken. It's a mirage. It's a fugazi. It's not going to work for you. So you need these three things in place. The problem with most people, though, is they're trying to master traffic, sales funnels, email follow-ups, free traffic strategies, paid traffic strategies, so many different things at once, instead of taking baby steps to get clarity on this affiliate marketing process. You need to be patient with yourself and you need to be patient with the process. So I'm going to actually reveal this 9-step process. I've got it written out here. I'm also going to include it in the comments, or not the comments, but in the description below. Okay. So here's the affiliate marketing order of mastery. Step one, you need a high converting system. And when we talk about systems, we're talking about a done for you sales funnel that also includes the products, that includes the email follow-ups, that includes the customer service, that includes everything. So all you need to focus on is this portion right here. So that's the most important thing. Number one is you need a done for you system, or else you're going to be overwhelmed by trying to do all this stuff yourself. Once again, doing the traffic, the sales funnel, the email follow-up, the sales pages, getting the softwares to build the email follow-up and the sales funnel, right? So if you want a business in a box, which is exactly what you should plug into as a beginner, just like I did, there's an actual link in the description. Don't go ahead and click it quite yet, but once we get done with this video, you're going to want to go ahead and get started below. Now, there's many done for you systems out there. Some convert better than others. Right now, I've listed at the time of the creation of this video, the number one product, number one done for you system out there when it comes to getting started online with low ticket affiliate marketing, in other words, with very, very low risk. So after you complete step one, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place your first ad. And the two ads that I recommend that you place, and this is also AKA, place ads for traffic, right? So once we've got this thing set up here, then we want to start driving some traffic. The way that we get traffic, especially as a beginner, is not just by going out there and doing YouTube videos and going out there and running Facebook ads. We want to start small and then we want to scale up. So I would recommend, number one, starting with Reddit traffic or starting with solo ad traffic. Reddit is a website. It's like a forum where people create conversations. They also ask questions and people go there to answer those questions. I've actually got a full Reddit tutorial I'm also going to hook you up with in the description of this video. So you're going to want to place your first ad. If you don't have a lot of resources, use Reddit traffic. It's free traffic. It's free to sign up with Reddit. It's free to post content and post your affiliate link within that content the way that we show you in the tutorial, either right around this video or below this video. So that's option number one for traffic. Option number two for traffic is solo ad traffic. Solo ad traffic, and once again, I'm going to leave another link below that shows you how to run solo ad traffic, but essentially solo ad traffic is renting out somebody else's email list. And what they do is they will send an email out to their email list promoting whatever product or service that you have. So you're not having to do any legwork. You're actually paying for the leads, but you're not having to trade time to generate leads like you would otherwise with Reddit and other free traffic strategies. See, you have to understand you have two different types of traffic. You have paid traffic, you have free traffic. Paid traffic, you essentially pay for the traffic, right? Free traffic, you're paying, but you're paying with your time instead of your money. So you have to kind of choose which poison is best for you and your specific financial situation. So once you start running the red traffic or the solo ad traffic, it will automatically capture the email addresses for you. The system will automatically send out the email follow-ups for you. And again, these are little emails that go out to the people that filled their information out on this capture page. And then once they fill out the capture page, then it automatically goes through your affiliate link to the sales page. So this is all actually coded to you. Somebody else has done the hard work for you. And the reason why they've done that hard work is because they're the product owner. And if they can give you the tools, the assets to make money, you're going to make money and they're going to make even more money in conjunction with their own marketing. So they go from the capture page to the sales page and to the order form. In the interim, in the meantime, they're receiving follow-up emails that send them back to the sales page right here. So as long as you take care of this part, they're actually going to take care of this part. So instead of having to do all this stuff and have a bunch of assignments, this is the only assignment that you guys have as a complete beginner online. Run traffic, run easy to get traffic, free traffic, or even solo ad traffic, and do that day in and day out. The more traffic that you get to this high converting system, simply the more money that you're going to make and you're going to get results. So that's a simple 3-step process to making money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. Now, step 4 to step 9 is a little bit different, as you can see over here. Let me zoom in. So we covered step 1 to 3. Step 4 to 9 is going to be more intermediate to advanced. So step 4, you're going to learn other free organic strategies. These strategies are going to be YouTube, actually being on YouTube, learning how to communicate on YouTube, learning how to put your face out there, or even if you don't want to put your face out there, how to share your screen and use a voiceover, how to leverage Facebook free strategies, and how to leverage blogging. Again, these are very low risk, high reward marketing strategies that over the past few years, you guys, have generated me over $1.06 million in just one of my accounts. Just one of my accounts. This isn't obviously all the money that I've made. If I showed you all the screenshots and everything, that would take a lot of time and I have to log into all my accounts. So hopefully you take my word for it. I know exactly what I'm doing and I practice what I preach. So if you want to generate this kind of income, you can do it without paid strategies. You can do it with these free strategies like YouTube. YouTube's my favorite. You can pick YouTube, Facebook, blogging. Those are my top 3 recommended because most of the traffic on the internet comes from one of these 3. From the search engine of Google, aka, posting a blog, putting it up on Google to rank, Facebook, and of course, YouTube, the platform that you're most likely on, unless I've embedded this to another page. Then step number 5, after you've mastered traffic, right? So what you've done, let me zoom out here. What you've done is you've, started running Reddit traffic, some solo ad traffic. What you want to do after that is use this same done for you system, but start learning Facebook free traffic, start learning YouTube free traffic. And I would recommend by picking one of those after you master this level, just simply pick one from step 4 and master that method and continue to run traffic to this done for you funnel. So again, you're not yet learning sales funnels and autoresponders and writing emails and all that stuff. So step number 5 though, is where you can start capturing leads. So instead of the company owner capturing leads, what you can now do is replace this capture page with your own capture page. So instead of them capturing the leads, you're able to capture the leads, and you're also able to use their email follow-up series while building your own list. You see, long-term, guys, the money is in the list. At the time of the creation of this video, I have right around 35 to 40,000 active email subscribers on my email list. That means I can send one email out to 40,000 people, boom, and make money overnight just like that. Your email list is one of your biggest assets online, and you want to learn how to build an email list in case something happens to like Reddit or solo ad traffic or Facebook traffic or YouTube traffic. At least you're capturing those leads from those platforms and you fully own that list, where you actually don't own your YouTube channel. Like it's yours, but they can take it down whenever they want, right? So it's important to have an email list. So step 5 is to learn how to capture leads, okay? Then step 6 is learn how to write emails. Start writing your own emails. Start branding yourself and differentiating yourself from all the other affiliates promoting the same product using the same assets. So at some point you want to grow out of this, and you don't want to be, using other people's capture pages and using other people's email follow-ups, because over time that will cause saturation. What you want to do is model their email follow-ups and start to take what's working for them, put it in your own words, use your own story and your own personality. That's what's really going to make the difference when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing. And then after you learn how to write emails, learn how to build the funnel. So by step 7, free organic strategies. You know how to capture leads. You know how to write emails. You know how to build the funnel, and you know this whole entire process that you're seeing right here. You finally mastered this process. And if I want to throw in a few bonuses, step 8 and step 9, learn how to create your own products. Because when you learn how to create your own front-end products, they don't have to be thousands of dollars. They could be $60. What you can do is you can drive traffic to those products. You can keep all of the money because you own the product. You're not an affiliate marketer anymore. What you're able to do is you're going to be able to generate more leads because you're going to be able to keep more of the money due to advertising. Therefore, you're going to be able to promote affiliate products on the back end of your advertising. And this is really cool because this is where you're able to put $1 in to marketing. You're able to get $1 out, so you're breaking even. But guess what? Guess what? You're generating leads for free. And then everything that you promote through your email list on the back end is 100% pure profit. Here's a perfect example. From Tuesday up to Tuesday right now, the day is still young, you can see that I've generated $761 in pure profit. That's pure profit on the back end. And we're just getting started. This is a brand new campaign. So I'm actually promoting my own products on the front end. Again, I'm able to put, for example, $100 in, get $100 out, and then get dozens and dozens of leads. So I'm actually getting leads for free that I can then email other offers. And that's where I'm making money here. This is all profit, and this is all automated like clockwork. So I hope you got value from this brand new video. If you did, please give me a like. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Move that mouse, click subscribe, or put your finger on that subscribe button and tick that bell icon. And if you want to follow this exact process that's allowed me to be highly successful and generate a multiple 7 figures, of course, my results aren't typical. All you got to do is click the link, check out the resources section below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.